A very warm welcome to all my teachers, respected principal sir, and my dear friends. Today we, the students of class 12 of KB Talbert, celebrating National Teacher Day in a very unique way, which hasn't been done in past year. Due to this corona pandemic, it's the compulsion to maintain physical distance. But hopefully, we are in the 21st century, an era of connectivity, with unlimited access to technology. As there is an adage, happiness anyhow finds its door, which seems true for this tough time. Hence, we are celebrating Teachers' Day via online medium, so that we still be connected by our hearts. I am Rashiraj, student of class 12 science, as the host of this program. We try to give you our best, but if you find something wrong or discomforting, please pardon considering us children. Now, with all of your permission, we are going to start our program. I hope you all may enjoy it. First, what is the significance of Teachers' Day and why do we celebrate it? To answer such questions, I would like to invite my classmate Tanik Stoney to give us a speech about the significance of Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Lastly, I would like to thank our host Rishi for giving me this wonderful opportunity to speak about why do we celebrate Teachers' Day in front of our actual heroes, our teachers. In India, we celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President and the second President of independent India. He, an excellent teacher, suggested that his birthday be celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor the teaching community. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is a pioneer of wholesome and boom of the educational philosophy and a multi-dimensional creative genius. His educational philosophy is based on the principles of universal love, humanity, mutual help, and self-sacrifice. And we students personally thinks that our teachers are fulfilling the dreams of Dr. Radhakrishnan by teaching us not only the theory of subject but also the practical aspects of life and shaping our tomorrow better than today. I think they believes that the importance of education is not only in knowledge and a skill, but it is to help us to live with others. I also think that their perspective is not based on equality alone, but they do believe in equity, that is to treat specials with a specialization. Dr. Kalam once said that if a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. I would like to end it with a proverb. It says, if you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning for a decade, plant trees. But if you are planning for a lifetime, then educate people. Friends, our teachers are at forefront for this job, preparing us for a better future. Let us all thank them for what they have done so far. Thank you to all of them.
Teachers are like candles as they consume themselves to pave us the right path. With these beautiful words, I would like to wish everyone present over here a very happy Teachers' Day. As we all know that we have gathered here to appreciate the struggle and hard work that each and every teacher put to make his or her students successful. And I am very obliged that I got this great opportunity. Teacher is one of the most important elements in child's life, right from the kindergarten to the end of the college life. Teacher works on us to make us a better citizen of our nation. They not only teaches us a particular subject greatly, but also makes us to understand the importance of moral and ethical values. The best part of a teacher is that they never gets irritated even if we ask a doubt hundreds of times, as they find their happiness in our own satisfaction. They treat each and every student equally and does never forget the student he taught even after years. At the end, I would like to say, thank you teachers for all your help and support.